Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you 3 beautiful and simpler than they look ponytails. I thought these hairstyles were perfect for fall because you just get your hair up off your neck, out of your face, and best of all, they're super secure. But before we get started, don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So today's video is sponsored by Hairstyles, and I want to share with you my top picks from their friends and family 20% off sale that is happening right now. Hairstyles products rarely ever go on sale, so run, don't walk. But the sale is running from Monday, November 16th to Sunday, November 22nd, and I'll put all the details in the description below. But it's such a great time to try something new, maybe pick up that product that you've been eyeing, stock up on your favorites, and with the holidays coming, you could treat your friends and family or treat yourself. But definitely let me know what you'll be picking up and let me walk you through some of my favorites that I used today to prep my hair. I feel like my hair looks so like va-va-voom today, and it's truly these products. Like whenever I use Hairstyles, like I know I'm going to have a good hair day. All right, so my hair prep actually started last night with this incredible product. It's the Hairstyles Nutritive 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. This product is a total game changer. So it's an overnight leave-in treatment, and my scalp and hair love this stuff. They just soak it up, especially now that the cooler weather is coming. My hair is so dry and tangled. So what I've been doing is I just apply 3 pumps of this to my scalp. You massage it into your head. It feels so good. And I'm telling you, I wake up with the smoothest, silkiest, tangle-free hair. It's incredible. So if you're somebody who also has super tangly hair, then I highly recommend that you try this. And this scent on this product, like right before bed, it's so relaxing and it just puts me to sleep. I love it. All right, my next favorite is the Anisha Least Advanced Scalp and Hair Concentrate. Okay, how gorgeous is this bottle? It's glass. Here, listen. It's so luxurious. I love it. But this is a serum. Let me show you. I love the dropper. I feel so fancy every time I use this. And I use this right out of the shower. I'll use like 4 to 5 drops, and you just massage it into your scalp. It feels and smells incredible. Like I always look forward to this step. But the reason why I introduced this into my hair care routine is because this strengthens and supports natural hair growth. And I've noticed as I've been getting older that my hair is getting a little bit thinner, especially along the hairline, and this product has been incredible. It just helps to hydrate my scalp, and my hair has just been feeling a lot more full and thicker. So grateful for this. All right, my next favorite needs no introduction. It's the iconic Hairstyles Elixir Ultime hair oil. This is my all-time favorite hair oil. It's incredible. I use this every single day. If you could only get one Hairstyles product, then this is the one. This was actually the first Hairstyles product that I ever tried. I first picked it up when I started growing out my hair, and I've used it ever since. But I really love to use this oil right before I blow dry my hair. I use this as my heat protectant, and it just leaves my hair so smooth, frizz-free, and the most incredible shine. It's unlike any other oil I've used before. But this oil sits on a desk right beside my bedroom door, so whenever I'm leaving the house, this is like the last thing that I apply, and I really love to apply it to dry hair too. Just helps hydrate it. Oh, it smells so good, and then it gives your hair like a nice healthy shine. And then any excess I just rub into my hands, on my arms. It just feels so luxurious. But I have so many favorites from Hairstyles. It was really hard to narrow it down. Like they have incredible brushes. I love their hairsprays, and they have hair care lines for every hair type. So I will link all of my favorites in the description down below so you can shop them, treat yourself, and take advantage of the friends and family sale. So let me know what you've been eyeing, what you're gonna pick up, and let's start the hair tutorial. For this first ponytail, you're going to be so surprised by how easy it is. So start by gathering all of your hair into a low ponytail, and you know the drill. Pull out some small pieces to frame your face before securing it with a hair elastic. Now we're going to create a topsy tail but on an angle, and it creates the prettiest effect. So place your finger in the middle underneath your hair elastic, and then you want to push it up, diagonally towards the right side, almost like a 45-degree angle. Okay, now using your index fingers and thumbs, make this hole large enough to flip your ponytail all the way through, similar to this. All right, flip your ponytail up and pull all of your hair through that hole. Once it's through, it should look something like this, and this looks so pretty already. You could leave it like this, but if you want to make it pop, just hold the base of your ponytail with one hand and begin pinching and pulling on the hair all around your crown and at that twist on the bottom. And there you have it. This hairstyle is my favorite. I love how it turned out. It's just so elegant and great for every day and surprisingly simple. This next hairstyle is a mix of a half up and a ponytail. So begin by placing your thumbs above the front of your ears. You just want to trace upwards towards your crown. This will allow you to gather the top half of your hair while you still have hair hanging down. All right, one sectioned off, secure your section with a small hair elastic, and I like to place a hair clip right under where I'm going to be using an elastic just to prevent tangling. All right, now you can pinch and pull to add some volume, and on Instagram, majority of you voted for effortless hairstyles, and this step is key to achieve that. All right, next, about 4 fingers down from your previous hair elastic, you just want to secure another one. Now we're going to turn this section into a topsy tail, so use your index fingers and thumbs to make a big hole above your elastic and just flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through. And then starting at the bottom, you just want to pinch and pull in your twists to fan them out, give them some volume, and this almost makes them look like a fishtail braid. It's pretty cool. Next, take the rest of your hair and gather right where that topsy tail ends, and you just want to secure all of your hair together into a ponytail right over that last elastic that we put in. Then to match the top to the bottom, just gently pull on small pieces in that lower half to loosen it up. All right, you can stop here, but I'm going to create one more topsy tail, and all you need to do is grab the top third of your ponytail, add a clip to prevent tangling, and then secure an elastic about 4 fingers down. Once you've created your topsy tail, don't forget to pinch and pull to fan it out. And once you're happy with it, same as before, gather all of that hair and secure it into a ponytail over that last hair elastic. And then gently pull out the undersection so that the twist pops. All right, if you have long hair, you could definitely do another twist, but I stopped it too. This hairstyle is so beautiful and unique, and I love that it could be dressed up or dressed down. Lastly is a beautiful modern topsy tail ponytail. So begin by gathering all of your hair from the top of your head down to your crown, and then completely section this off, smooth it down, and you just want to secure it with a small hair elastic. And you want your elastic to be at about ear height. Oh, and again, I use that hair clip trick to prevent tangling. All right, let's make this into a topsy tail by creating a hole with your index fingers and thumbs right above your hair elastic, like this. And then take your ponytail, flip it up, and then pull it all the way through that hole you just created. Beautiful. Now time to transform it. So start at the bottom and then pinch and pull on small pieces of your twist, and this will really fan it out, make it pop. And then don't forget to pull on small pieces around your crown. Okay, this looks super cool like this, but time to repeat it on the left side. So gather all the hair on this side to just behind your ear. And again, make sure it's completely smoothed and sectioned off from the rest. And then secure it at about the same height as the middle one. And then turn this into a topsy tail. So create your hole just above your elastic, flip your hair up, pull it all the way through, and then starting at the bottom, pancake your twist. I love how the pinch and pull just completely transforms the topsy tails. They look so cool. All right, so repeat the same steps on the right side, and then you want to gather all of your hair into a ponytail. And when you pull on the sides, this should slide all of your elastics underneath it. Then finish off the look by wrapping a small piece of hair around your elastic, and then wrap your ends around a bobby pin and just slide it underneath your elastic out of the way. Go ahead, tease your ponytail, add some hairspray for some more volume, and there we have it. How beautiful is this ponytail? Like, I love how voluminous and detailed it looks, and who would have thought it was just 3 topsy tails? So there we have it. I hope you loved these hairstyles. I think they came out so pretty. I can't wait to see your recreations. Definitely tag me on Instagram and you can find pictures of the final looks over there too. But thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.